Welcome to Zippy Joy's Fun Channel.
Hello, kids. Today, we have a super fun game waiting for you. Are you ready to guess animals by their shapes and solve some puzzles? Let's solve the first riddle together. What animal could this be? Yes, it's a horse. It runs very fast and carries people. Shall we find another animal? Who knows? What animal is this? Exactly. It's a pig. It loves rolling around in the mud. Now let's see another animal. Do you recognize this animal? Great job! It's a bear. It is big, strong, and loves honey. Let's move on to the next animal. What kind of wild animal is this? Excellent! It's a tiger. It hides with its striped fur. Are you ready for the next one? Who knows this animal? Right. It's a cow. It gives us milk and loves grazing in the fields. Let's move to the next animal. What is this that jumps on trees? That's right. It's a squirrel. It loves collecting nuts. Let's look at another animal. This animal must be very clever, right? Yes, it's a fox. It's quick and hunts at night. Let's move to the next animal. Whose long ears are these? Of course, it's a rabbit. It loves eating carrots. There's another mysterious animal. This must be a very big animal. Exactly. It's an elephant. It has a long trunk and big ears.
Great job, friends! You did an amazing job learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a fun learning video. See you next time. Keep learning and having fun!